So what do you think about getting married? What do you think about getting married? Is it one of the influence factor to be successful person? So what do you think about it?
Alright, so getting married is very important for our lives nowadays because we are men here, right?
Yeah.
Just getting married, just expect a good enough from Allah. That's it.
Yeah.
You're gonna have a good descendants like your brother or your son. So when you get married, when you do something like a prayer, subuh prayer, every 5 times 24 hours per day, you know what? You got that. You're gonna be higher 7 degrees. Everything. Before you got married, you know what? You get married.
Yeah.
You're gonna be only one. But when after you get married, every angel, every devil or shaitan never underestimate. Never how to say
In Indonesian?
I forgot that vocabulary menggoda. How to say?
Seduce.
I forgot that. Seduce, right? I forgot that menggoda. Yeah, seduce our soul. The point is very important. I have made that when we got married. I myself, until now, I have, as I say just now, I'm very, very love someone took master degree. You know what? Even though in the abroad, in Europe, Catalan, or Bogota University, or Switzerland or Australia. Yeah, like our teacher here, has AES. So the point is, the good thing after that, just if you have is very, to force it to get married, is get married first. Because the point is, money very, very important for us. The goal is very, very important for us. Without money, nothing.
For the marriage, prepare the towel.
Towel is very, very important. I have no towel nowadays. But who had the hanging towel? A lot of 16 women just waiting for me. I have no towel. Imagine that. 16 women just waiting for me. I just throw away all of that behind. I don't care about that anymore. Because the point is towel. He don't know. Alright, any question?
Jandu. It's very important for marriage.
Yeah, if there are two women that waiting for you, like you said just now earlier, 16 women waiting for you, but you don't have a towel, so you can take their towel. You can ask for her towel, or you don't ask her or her about the towel.
Hard to say about towel. Even though only 10 towel, only 10 towel. If I have 10 towel, one towel in 1 mayan, 10 towel is 10 mayan. You know that? Totally hard how to say to get that. Imagine that. Nowadays, every gold only 1 mayan is almost 2 million. Almost 2 million. But if you have a lot of money, if I have a lot of money, I will get married first in this day and the end of the day. You know that? Yeah. Even though I do not waiting for master degree, PhD, never waiting for that. Yeah. Because
we need it,
yeah, we need it. Yeah.
We need to avoid the bad thing.
Every man need it. You got it? Any question?
What do you think about hypocrite?
I think nothing about it.
Hypocrite is success.
What?
What do you think about hypocritical success?
Oh well, talking about hypocrite, like Mr. Johnny said, we can't judge people, right? Even though the point is, who people obey for God and the prophet is never hypocrite. But when they are disobey with God, they are gonna be hypocrite. So we can't. I myself, including myself, gonna be hypocrite. We can't break ourselves. So we always change our habit, our behavior. You know what? So just pray to Allah. Just take our hypocrite for our soul. That's important. Yeah, you got it. cannot judge people. Wow, hypocrite. We can. But the point is, WHB is hypocrite. This number one paper, WHB is hypocrite.
You got it?
It's okay. Yeah. Any question?
I don't know what he say about that double.
You can ask.
All right. Any question? Go.
Bukan capri ya.
Yeah,
Japri.
Yeah.
Person.